Why does your scanner show the P2177 engine code? What does it mean? P2177 is a diagnostic trouble code for System 2 Lean Off Idle Bank 1. It indicates that the engine control module has detected that one side of the engine bank 1 is running with too much air and not enough fuel. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensors. Malfunctioning mass airflow sensor. Vacuum leaks. Fuel injector issues. Low fuel pressure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda, Mazda, Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.